Hey, are you working incredibly hard every single day, but your bank account completely refuses to grow at all? You get paid, pay your basic bills, and suddenly your hard-earned cash simply vanishes into thin air without explanation. Millions of smart people globally are stuck in this exact same exhausting cycle, desperately wondering where everything went wrong. The truth is, modern society is specifically designed to quietly drain your income before you can even save it. The invisible trap catching most people is lifestyle creep. When your income slowly goes up, your expenses rise instantly. You finally get that nice raise at work, but suddenly you feel entitled to expensive dinners and upgraded subscriptions. If you allow this to happen, you will absolutely never build wealth, regardless of how much your salary increases. The ultimate fix is paying yourself first. Treat your savings account like it is your most urgent monthly bill. Set up an automatic transfer the exact same day you get paid, before you have any chance to spend. Log into your banking app right now and schedule an automatic monthly transfer for at least 10% today. Another massive wealth killer is frictionless spending. Buying things online has become dangerously effortless and way too fast today. With saved credit cards and one-click purchasing features, you spend real wealth without feeling any psychological pain of paying. Letting convenience control your habits means those tiny daily purchases will secretly destroy your long-term financial security over time. You must create intentional friction. Make it purposely annoying and difficult to buy anything outside of your essential needs. Remove all saved payment information from your favorite shopping websites and force yourself to type out the numbers manually. Delete your saved credit card details from your phone wallet and favorite online stores immediately after watching this video. Most hardworking adults actually have absolutely no idea exactly where their hard-earned money disappears to every single calendar month. People simply guess their expenses in their heads instead of looking closely at the actual hard mathematical numbers involved. Blindly guessing your finances always leads to overspending, completely wiping out whatever small amount you hope to save later. You need absolute clarity. You must track every single transaction to understand exactly how your cash flows every week. Use a simple mobile application or a basic spreadsheet to categorize and review all your purchases at week's end. Download a free expense tracking app today and manually record your last 5 purchases to build immediate financial awareness. Social media creates an impossible financial standard, silently pressuring you to spend money to match everyone's fake lifestyle. You see friends taking luxury vacations or buying new cars, and you suddenly feel inadequate about your perfectly fine life. Trying to impress strangers online will drain your bank account and leave you incredibly stressed and secretly drowning in debt. You need to aggressively curate your digital environment and completely ignore societal expectations about what success is supposed to look like. Unfollow accounts that trigger your urge to spend, and instead focus entirely on your own personal, long-term wealth-building goals. Unfollow at least 3 luxury lifestyle accounts today that secretly make you feel pressured to spend outside your means. Phantom subscriptions are silently stealing your wealth. Those tiny monthly charges feel completely harmless until they actually add up. You sign up for free trials, completely forget to cancel them, and pay for services you frankly never even use. These forgotten fees act like a constant leak in your financial bucket, making it mathematically impossible to ever fill up. Conduct a ruthless monthly audit of your bank statements and eliminate absolutely anything that does not provide genuine, massive value. Sit down with your monthly credit card bill and highlight every single recurring charge you can comfortably live without today. Check your phone subscriptions menu right now and immediately cancel at least one digital service you haven't used recently. Relying on credit for unexpected expenses is disastrous. Without a safety net, any minor emergency becomes a massive financial crisis. A car repair or medical bill pops up unexpectedly, and suddenly you are forced to borrow money at terrible rates. This instantly traps you in a vicious debt cycle, where paying high interest completely prevents you from ever saving cash. You must build a dedicated emergency fund immediately. This cash barrier protects your actual investments from life's random, unavoidable disasters. Start very small if necessary. Aim to save just enough to cover 1 month of basic living expenses at first. Open a separate high-yield savings account today and deposit $50 to officially start building your permanent emergency cash shield. If you truly want to escape the trap of living paycheck to paycheck, you must remember these critical wealth rules. Always automate your savings before spending a single dime, and delete saved credit cards to create intentional friction when shopping. Track your expenses with absolute mathematical precision and strictly ignore the completely fake lifestyles you see on social media feeds. Ruthlessly cancel those unused phantom subscriptions immediately and build a strong emergency fund to protect your growing long-term financial wealth. Saving money is not about punishing yourself today. It is about buying freedom and complete peace of mind for tomorrow. Remember, building real wealth requires extreme patience. Stay incredibly consistent with these habits, and the compound results will amaze you. If this video finally helped you understand your spending habits, smash that like button and share it with a friend. Subscribe to Money Quill, a new money secret every week to build your wealth. See you soon.